Hi, I'm Deanne Criswell, Administrator of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. I invite you to join FEMA in celebrating 10 years of keeping people safe and informed through wireless emergency alerts. In the past 10 years, FEMA has carried over 70,000 messages from public safety authorities, alerting people of threats posed by nearby extreme weather events, law enforcement incidents, and many other hazards. Wireless emergency alerts have even led to the safe recovery of 123 children through the Amber Alert program. I encourage you to check your cell phone setting to ensure you can receive these important alerts, which carry a unique tone and vibration to capture your attention. In partnership with the Federal Communications Commission and your local public safety authorities, we are working to keep you safe and informed when seconds count. I would also like to thank our wireless communication providers who have been an instrumental partner in getting these life-saving messages out. My message to you today is simple. Watch and listen for wireless emergency alerts on your mobile phone. The next one you receive could include information that saves lives, yours or those you love. Thank you.